Prep woodwork learning papers for the exams. Prep houtwerk leerpapiere vir die examens. We start with safety signs, veiligheidstekens. On the left, we have all the safety signs. Aan die linkerkant al die veiligheidstekens. And on the right, all of the meanings. So al hulle betekenisse. First one, no running, mag nie hardloop nie. No learners may use the machines, geen leerders mag met die masjiene werk nie. Keep the workshop clean, hou die sentrum skoon. May not leave the workshop without permission, mag nie die sentrum verlaat sonder toestemming nie. Page 2, bladsy 2. Wear an overall, dra oorpak. Wear ear protection, dra oorbeskerming. Clean up after yourself, maak skoon as jy vuil maak. Wear safety goggles, dra veiligheidsbrille. The floor is slippery, die vloer is glad. Pack away tools when you have finished using them. Sit die gereedskap terug wanneer jy dit klaar gebruik het. Page 3, bladsy 3. Veiligheidsmaatreëls, all the safety measures. At the top is die Afrikaans, bo is die Afrikaans. And at the bottom is die English. Onder is al die Engelse all the English safety measures. We'll start with the English. Always wear your overall. Always wear shoes. Don't wear loose hanging clothes. Don't work with a lot of tools on your table. Use tools for the purpose